We got a battery comparison between the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra. Along with that, we got the Handson look of a Z Fold 8, that wire edition. All in this video, no fluff. Although if you want a taller foldable phone, Fold 7 is on a massive deal. But if you want to pre-order, I'll add the link of a pre-order later in this video. Now talking about the Handson, later down the line we're going to talk about the battery life. BTS star actually hands-on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. That is the lavender cover for the Galaxy Z Fold 8. In his story, he posted the story and we just got a first look at the Galaxy Z Fold 8. This is a real phone and there are a few things that we need to notice. This phone is really short. He just hold that phone like this. This means this is much shorter, and after using the Z Fold 8 for a while, you will notice that other phones are quite taller compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 8. A traditional S26 Ultra will be taller, and even the Z Fold 8 Ultra or the Fold 7, both phones are quite taller compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 8. And Samsung already gave us a couple of teasers for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 because they're actually interested in showing off a Z Fold 8, a new form factor than the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, because Z Fold 8 Ultra didn't got much of a spotlight compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Battery Edition. Now talking about battery life, we got the complete table from the Galaxy Z Fold 4 till Z Fold 8 Ultra and how the battery changes and how the official marking for the video playback is here. So Z Fold 4 came with 4400 mAh battery with just 20 hours of video playback. Fold 5 improved by 1 hour, which is 21 hours. Galaxy Z Fold 8 was at 23 hours, 2 hours difference compared to the Fold 5, and Galaxy Z Fold 7 even got better, 24 hours, just with the exact same 4400 mAh battery. But this year we're going to see improved battery numbers. 4800 on the Z Fold 8 and it jumped to 26 hours, and Fold 8 Ultra got even better, 5000 mAh battery with 27 hours of video playback. These are the official numbers which Samsung actually claims by themselves. 20 hours on Fold 4 to 27 hours. So from past 4 generations, Samsung actually improved 7 hours of video playback on Z Fold 8 Ultra and 6 hours on the Z Fold 8. So there is a massive difference between Z Fold 7, Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra. Fold 7 and Fold 8 Ultra got 3 hours of difference, and Fold 8 Wire Edition and Fold 7 got 2 hours difference, which means we got a much bigger difference compared to the Fold 7 and the Fold 8 Ultra. So these are the things. We got more details about the Galaxy Z Fold 8. We got a bunch of details about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and 8 Ultra. Starting off with the cameras, as we got the picture, we got 50 megapixel main sensor and 50 megapixel ultra wide. We got two 10 megapixel sensors, one on the cover display and one on the inner display. Now the 50 megapixel main sensor will actually go about 2 times optical zoom. Well, it means that they can actually zoom in a little bit. It says optical quality zoom is enabled by the adaptive pixel sensor, which means we're getting a little bit better telephoto shots on the 50 megapixel sensor. Yes, we wanted a 200 megapixel sensor and it's not there, and neither the telephoto sensor. Now talking about the second thing, this actually confirmed the design and how it will gonna feel in hand with the Galaxy Z Fold 8. None of these are special because we already got the dummies and these things are actually confirmed. The third thing is actually the processor, which is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for both the phones. This thing is important because we are going to see a 26 hours of video playback on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. This is the Wire Edition Galaxy Z Fold 8. You can actually see, we can clearly see how wide this phone is, and 26 hours of battery life is pretty good compared to Galaxy Z Fold 7. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.